So once you incorporate, you have, or the Corporations Act imposes certain ongoing obligations on corporations. So every year, the shareholders need to make certain resolutions. They have to elect the directors, they have to appoint things like auditors, and they have to approve the financial statements. Directors have to approve financial statements and elect officers. And that has to be recorded in the form of a resolution in the minute book. And if you don't do that, you could be liable for a summary conviction with, I think it's up to $5,000 in fines. People don't normally get prosecuted for that type of thing, but it's in the act, so it's certainly possible. The other thing that you have to do is you have to file an annual return with the Companies Office that just keeps your information up to date at the Corporations Office. If you don't, then your corporation can lapse. So these are activities or things that need to be done on an annual basis to make sure that your corporation stays compliant with the Corporations Act and stays essentially legal. Now normally, traditionally, lawyers charge a certain amount every time these type of activities are undertaken. So when the annual return comes out, they prepare it, they send it to the client for them to sign, they charge fees for that. When it's time to do the annual resolutions, it's the same thing. They draft those, they send them to the client, then they have them sign, and they charge them for that. The service that we're offering is an all-inclusive service. So if you take the program for a one-year maintenance program, any resolutions that have to be drafted during that first year are covered by the fee that you already paid. If you do the monthly plan, whether it's the 1 year or 2 year, it's the same thing. If you do the 2-year one, well, it also includes your first annual return, which will be 1 year after you incorporated, as well as your annual minutes for the next, the following year. So when I say that maintenance is included, that's essentially what I'm talking about, is that ongoing maintenance of your minute book, as well as storing your minute book in our vault.